In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the error message on Steam purchase. If you're seeing an error when trying to buy a game, DLC, or wallet credit, follow along and we'll walk through reliable fixes in the right order. Start by opening Steam and going to your account details from the drop-down under your profile in the top right. Open your purchase history and look for any pending or stuck transactions. Even one pending item can block new purchases. Select the pending entry, choose cancel this transaction or a similar option, and confirm. Once it's cleared, fully close and relaunch Steam, then try your purchase again to see if the block is removed. Next, check whether the problem is on Steam's side. Visit Steam's official server status pages to confirm there are no ongoing outages. If there's a service disruption, you'll need to wait it out and try later. If everything looks normal, turn off any VPNs, proxies, or IP blockers you're using, as these can trigger fraud checks. After disabling them, restart your computer. If your connection is unstable, switch networks if possible. Try a different Wi-Fi band, a wired connection, or a mobile hotspot to rule out local network hiccups. Run Steam as an administrator so it has the permissions it needs for secure actions. On Windows, right-click the Steam icon and choose Run as Administrator. While you're in Steam, verify file integrity through settings where applicable. For games, open your library, right-click the title, select Properties, then verify integrity of game files. This can help if you're purchasing DLC tied to a specific installation that's incomplete or corrupted. If payment still fails, switch payment methods. For example, move from PayPal to a credit or debit card, or vice versa, and make sure the payment source has sufficient funds and isn't restricted for online or international transactions. Also try completing the purchase outside the desktop client. Use a web browser, the Steam mobile app, or an incognito private browsing window to bypass cache data and extensions that might interfere. If errors persist, contact Steam support. Open a ticket under the I can't complete my purchase option, and include clear details, what you tried to buy, the exact error message, relevant transaction IDs from your purchase history, and screenshots. The more precise your report, the faster support can review and resolve the block, and they can manually update your account if needed. That's it. Work through these steps in order and you should be able to complete your purchase. Thanks for watching.